Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 2. The name of the unit is Does He Remember? We already done its comprehension. So let's move towards working with words. First of all, look at the challenge. Do you think dogs have a good memory? Is their memory better than say that of cats? Yes, dogs have a good memory. Their memory is based on their sense of smell. The cats have a good memory too. It is hard to say whose memory is stronger. Dogs remember people while cats remember places. Copy and complete the following. You will find the words in a passage but try to do it without looking. First sentence is Mike made sure to keep close to the old man, determinedly staying a step behind him. Next sentence is but he was not completely convinced that this was true. The heavy gate squeaked and screeched as it was swung open with some difficulty. The dark form leaped into the air, urgently scrambling to get off the sofa. Next question is which of the following words are incorrect? Correct the mistakes. Kelops, obviously. Cacophony, annoying. Annoying में ANNOYED annoying. Apparent, illuminated में IMMLUMINATED. Ferocious, 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 scrolled. Without looking at the story, copy the passage below but put in the correct punctuation marks as you do so. When you have finished, read what you have written to see if it all makes good sense. पंक्चुएशन के साथ इस पैराग्राफ को दोबारा से रीराइट करना है. मैंने इसको इसी के ऊपर कर दिया है. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस जैसे कि हमें पता है कि कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे सी कैपिटल डाला है और इसको कॉमा से स्टार्ट किया है. कैन यू बी श्योर, कॉमा और साथ में क्वेश्चन मार्क क्योंकि सवाल पूछा जा रहा है. आस्क्ड माइक, माइक चूँकि नाउन है तो इसका फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल आएगा और फुल स्टॉप. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस स्टार्ट हो रहा है एस कैपिटल आएगा कॉमर्स के साथ. श्योर ऑफ व्हाट, यहाँ पे अगेन क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है, क्वेश्चन मार्क आएगा. आस्क्ड नबील, फुल स्टॉप. डैट ही इज स्लीप, डैट का टी कैपिटल आएगा कॉमा के साथ और स्लीप के बाद हम क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएंगे. वाई कैपिटल आएगा यू का. यू कैन हियर हिम स्नोरिंग, क्वेश्चन मार्क. कैन नॉट में यहाँ पे कॉमा मिसिंग था. कांट यू, कांट यू के बाद फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क. नो नो, नो कैपिटल एन. विस्पर्ड माइक, माइक का एम कैपिटल आएगा. फुल स्टॉप आर ए कैपिटल. आर यू श्योर डैट ही डज नॉट रिमेंबर मी, एंड पे क्वेश्चन मार्क. Verbs and adverbs. Make list of verb and adverbs in the following passage. ये हमारे पास पैसेज है, इसमें से हमने verbs को और adverbs को अलग करना है, उनकी लिस्ट बनानी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल verbs came, gazed, found, written, be, pulls, tried, out, move. Adverbs wonderingly, beautifully, hard. Find 6 interesting verbs and 6 interesting adverbs in the chapter Does He Remember? Verbs sensed, prolonged, teased, mused, shifted, fumbled. Adverbs obviously, seemingly, determinedly, partially, nervously, abruptly. Listening and speaking, you can hear him snoring. Can't you? Using the correct question tag is important if you want to speak good English. He is tall. No, ये wrong sentence है. He is tall, isn't he? ये करेक्ट सेंटेंस है। ये सारी एक्सरसाइज बेस करती है ऐसे ही सेंटेंसेस पे जिस पे हमने उसको करेक्ट फॉर्म में लिख के तो क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना है। मैंने कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखे हैं जिससे आपको इसका आइडिया हो जाएगा। जैसे देखें, लेट्स हाइड हिज बुक्स चर्न वी, देयर विल बी मैनी प्लेसेस टू विजिट वॉन्ट देयर, यू कांट राइड योर साइकिल इन द पार्क, कैन यू sing an Urdu song for me, will you? You speak French, don't you? Draw a picture of Marmaduke at the window. Write a paragraph about him. Here are some suggestions. What does the dog look like? How is it standing? What expressions does it have on its face? Why? Is it strong or weak? What is after? How does it behave? Marmaduke is standing in the window. He is very old. He is almost blind and deaf, but he can smell very well. His paws are on the window panes. He is very angry. He is barking fiercely. He cannot see anything, but he can smell an old enemy. He wants to leap at this enemy and bite him with his might. He is quite strong for his age. He is after Mike. He wants to take revenge for all the teasing he suffered at the hands of Mike.